Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and thank you for being here. I am the owner of Imagine Wellness. This is my YouTube. I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help to make the relationship of your food, body, weight, and eating the most optimal it can be. So what I want to talk to you today is how you view yourself and how that's going to impact how much time you're going to spend on your health. Hear me out. If you feel like that you are not worth it, maybe you'd rather spend time on other people. Maybe you have poor boundaries and you don't know how to choose your food first. You are caught up in the work. Maybe you're an executive director of some big company and you spend more time putting out fires on other people's plates than you do your own. Meaning you're putting masks on other people first before yourself. And what can happen is your health suffers. And this can be from a really deep belief that you're not worth the time. One, from unmet expectations, meaning you have expectations about yourself that are unrealistic. Either you're expecting yourself to show up perfect, you expect things to be like they were 20 years ago, or maybe you just have expectations in your life from other people. You were never taught that you are inherently good because you're a human. You have worth because you're a person, and that's it. You don't have to weigh a certain amount. You don't have to look a certain way. You don't have to have a certain bill of health in order to have value. Second, maybe there's secrets. Maybe there's something happening in your life that you're really ashamed about or you just can't talk about. That can lead to some really painful thought processes and painful beliefs about yourself that you're just not worthy of attention for health. Third, there can be some trauma that's happened in your life, and that trauma can be slight, it can be big T trauma. If you've had trauma in your story and that's what's happened to you, you can have a belief all the way down in your gut that you're not worth the time and energy to sit down and have a meal. You're not worth the time and energy to hire a coach to talk about what's happening in your life, and that couldn't be farther from the truth. So pay attention to, what do I believe about myself? What has happened in my life? I am worthy because I exist. I have infinite value because I exist. And I do deserve tasty, yummy food. I do deserve to care about my health. If this was helpful, like and subscribe and follow along. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford with Imagine Wellness, and I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach to make your relationship with your food, your body, your weight, and eating the most optimal it can be. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.